An adult should have a hearing test done whenever there is a suspicion of decreased hearing. Either noticed by yourself, the person is himself or herself, or by clinic. The other one is do not ignore tinnitus, sound in the ear. Whenever we have all these early signs of hearing loss, please have a hearing test done. Please do not wait until you are at a level of severe or profound hearing loss, then only you will go for hearing test. Because hearing loss can be treated, and the earlier it's detected, the better will be the treatment for regaining of your hearing.